Today we are doing the locker.
So let's get started.
Okay, first we are going to empty our kit. Now the kit does not come already colored in orange. We spray painted that, so if you're gonna do that, go ahead and make sure you get a parent to do it for you.
All right, so right here we are actually going to put the peg right here. And this is when the hammer comes in. Get a trusted adult to maybe help you or supervise you with the hammer. Let's see.
Correct. Let the hammer do all the work for you. You don't need to. So you're gonna hammer it down till the peg goes through. So go ahead and line it up. Right there should be good. Right in the center.
Here is
I'm gonna hammer it through towards that hole. Go ahead and line that up.
what if we do this? All right, so we figured out we've got this to connect to the bottom piece. So let's just do the rest. Looks good. Okay, so can we turn this? Yes, we can. So next, we will flip this around. And we will, on step 3, we will turn this around. Now we have to get a screw. Let's place that through this. So let's try and get the screwdriver. In here.
You gotta push it through just a little bit and you're gonna put it on top. Go ahead and screw it the rest of the way through.
Well,
how do you use that to screw? You gotta push a little bit, or does it just go through really easy?
just gotta goes through pretty easy. It's connected. That's where is it? This comes in. These two lines, or dots, will connect to these two dots. Let's put this under. Now, if one gets paired, both are paired. So that's how I know.
Are you going to use your screws or are you going to use the
We are going
nails?
to use our screws. It's not gonna, there. No, this.
Just going to line it up with a little hole. Just put a little pressure so it goes all the way through. You're doing a great job.
Thank you.
All right, good job. You got that second screw pulled in. That is perfect.
Let's get that more through. Okay, that's good.
Step number 5. What does step number 5 tell us to do?
The rectangles. Here we go.
Got them all started. Now we're going to set the 2 pieces of wood. And go ahead and get those screwed in, hammered in.
Put this small peg through this. And put it through all the way. And then we're gonna nail it in. If I'm correct.
Oh, it jumped out on you.
I feel like I should have been holding it for longer.
Yeah, probably.
I'm trying my best not to get my fingers. Alright,
Scared to get your fingers, huh?
Yup.
Okay, once you get that hammered in, what does it tell you to do?
It wants a good amount actually facing out. So we have this good.
Our second one popped out. So we're gonna go ahead and move to the third. And our second nail is
All right, last one. And then we should just be screwing the door in and we'll be all done. So we finished. All right, so we are gonna get the door screwed in now. So first of all, let's get the door in. There we go.
We got the
One more screw.
top screwed in. Now we're gonna get the bottom screwed in. And it didn't fit before because we did not have the right number selected. And our number is number 3.
Well, hold this.
Gotta put a little force into that. There you go.
Okay, now that I look at it more straight instead of from the left. Maybe when I said there you go, it wasn't right. Yay! We did it! Or did we? We did!
Let's turn it around. So,
Here we have the locker. It's a, I'd say, medium size. It's not really like a locker, but it's a medium size. I'd say it'd be good to keep like maybe a small little drink. All right, so now that we finished, let's show you how this locker works. So you are able to select the combination code from the inside. So here from the inside, I selected mine as 8. So let's press 8. And inside this has to match the peg. So that it opens, and you can actually fit like medium-sized things in here. So I think it's pretty cool. You can turn this to switch your combination. And
once you complete the Locker Kids Workshop, you get the locker pin, and Nathaniel gets to add the locker pin to his apron, which he already has a few other pins. Great job, Nathaniel.
And make sure to go hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you like this video or enjoy it, then go hit that like button.